Good evening from the office of Colin Baines Technical Services. This is my second video for YouTube on the Windows 10 technical preview. I decided to come back and show you guys some of the key features that differentiate Windows 10 from Windows 8 and 8.1. Now first off, we have the Start menu. It's a revamp with a classic menu style on the left here. And on the right side, we have Metro tiles. So it's a kind of a hybridization between the Metro tile interface of Windows 8 and the classic style of Windows 7. The virtual desktop in Windows 10 technical preview can be found by clicking this Task View button at the bottom. Click Task View, and it'll give you the option to add a second desktop, third desktop, an infinite amount of desktops. They're called virtual desktops in Windows 10. Now this has been a feature that's been around in certain flavors of Linux for years, but this is a new feature in Windows 10. So let's proceed. You can add a desktop here, and as you can see, we'll go and we'll switch to our second desktop. We'll go in, we'll add another desktop, third desktop. So let's open up a window here. Now as you can see, we have 3 desktops going at once. So we'll go to Downloads here. We'll click this button again, and we'll go to the other desktop. We'll open Internet Explorer. And if we go back here, we'll see that we have our Downloads folder open here, and Internet Explorer open in our second desktop. And in our original desktop, we have nothing opened. But at the same time, through any desktop at one point, you can open up these things, these open processes. The shortcut key for virtual desktop is Start menu. No. The shortcut for the virtual desktop switching, or task view, is Windows key Tab. And once you click Windows key Tab, you can let go of those keys, and you will have access to all 3 of your virtual desktops that we created before. Now if you click Windows key Tab again, you'll go back to your currently viewed desktop. The next feature I wanted to cover on the Windows 10 technical preview are Metro apps on the desktop. In the case of Windows 8.1 and Windows 8, the apps would run full screen on top of the Metro tile interface. However, in Windows 10, we're bringing forth the ability to run apps from the hybridized Start menu directly in the Windows environment on the desktop. It is also important to note that upgrading from Windows 10 to Windows 10.1, unlike the upgrade from Windows 8 to Windows 8.1, is going to be a simple button click, a one button click that will upgrade you from the first iteration of Windows 10 to the second iteration of Windows 10. It's also important to note that in Windows 10 technical preview, we are seeing a continuation of this modern UI interface design. And it's much flatter, and it can be compared to Mac OS X and the iOS in the fact that the buttons and the frames are all very flat. There's no, like in Windows 7, there was a lot of beveled edges and gradients used. However, we're seeing a trend of flat UI, and in Windows 10, we will be seeing a continuation of this. You'll also notice in the Windows 10 technical preview that if you click the Start button and you search on your computer, you will get features of Bing web search results, the ability to install different apps related to your search, and components and administrative tasks on the local computer. Lastly, I'd like to talk about the fact that Microsoft is going with a new trend in that they will be making Windows 10 cross-platform, meaning that it will run in a different style on cell phones, tablets, convertible computers, touchscreen all-in-ones, laptops, desktops, and even enterprise-based servers will be running Windows 10. It'll be completely cross-platform, cross-device, a fully fluid operating system. Microsoft coined this one product family, one platform, and one store. Thank you for watching the second video on the Windows 10 technical preview. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it was informative for you. Have a wonderful evening and a wonderful week. Thanks for watching.